3, 4. You say you stand by your man. You tell me something I don't understand. You said you love me, and that's a fact. And then you left me, said you felt trapped. Well, some things you can't explain away, but the heartache's in me till this day. Did you stand by me? Oh, not at all. Did you stand by me? No way. And all the times when we were close, well, I remember these things the most.
Hello there, Tony Medley once again, and a nice warm welcome to my workshop. Today I'm not going to do a wood project as such. I'm going to do the unboxing of my new Camvac dust extractor. What I've had to do, to be perfectly honest, I'm just getting everything covered in dust. I needed to upgrade. At the present moment I have a Charnwood DC50 and it's not a great success. I've got it linked to my bandsaw and also my dust when I'm sanding on my lathe through a series of gate valves. What my intention of doing is to run the Charnwood, run the Charnwood straight directly to the bandsaw, and then I'll have the new Camvac directly to a sanding point on my lathe, and I hope that it works a lot better than what it is now. To be perfectly honest, I know what people are going to say. Yes, you can get 3 Charnwoods for the price of a Camvac, but I've done a lot of research, and the new Cyclone, I've got the one with the twin motors, so hopefully that will alleviate my problems. I'll show you some problems that I have with dust. I just get, although I've got a sealing extractor there which is running all the time and it's quite effective, but my wife has a washing machine which we have to keep covered over, so the washing machine's there, but you can just see everything is just covered in dust. You look at the ladders, just everything is just a mound of dust. So I had to do something to alleviate the problem. So I'll do the unboxing, get it fitted up. Before I disconnect everything, I'll do a quick video on what I'm saying about the amount of dust that comes off. To be perfectly honest, I have a funnel immediately onto the sanding disc, but to be perfectly honest, it's not all that powerful. So I'll unbox it, we'll get it all fitted up, and then obviously we'll see what the difference is. I've just cut a piece of paper just to try and show you or explain what the difference is going to be when we get them turned over. I will stop the video and I'll put a mask on when I do a little bit of sanding, just because there's that much dust. I don't like dust in my lungs, so I'll have to turn the video off, put a mask on, and then obviously I'll start again. So I won't be able to talk obviously while I'm doing the demonstration about how much dust is coming from it. So we'll just turn it on and we will try and see how much. As you can see, it's not stuck a little, well, there's a little bit there. It's very, you can put your hand on it, and it has got a suction on it, but not very, well. So, like I say, it's moving about, but very, slightly. So, we'll try the next track. We'll try it with the Camvac as well. As you can see, I put a towel underneath it just to show you how much dust is coming from it, and you know, it's not a pretty way of doing it. So we'll unbox it, get it fitted, and then we'll see the difference, hopefully. Well, assistant here this morning, so as I said, I've got the twin motor one, so we'll get it unpacked and get it all connected. What we need to do now is put the dust covers on. These are, you know, the twin hoovers or twin motors, what I was saying. So obviously it should be a lot more powerful. So we'll put the two dust covers on that and the cover on the dust extractor base itself. What you get inside is a nice brochure or instruction manual, should I say. And to be perfectly honest, every time I bought quite a lot of record power, they always seem nice and easy to understand. 2 bags and 2 motor filters, or bags to go over the filters, and 2 of the bands. We also get the bag what goes inside the drum to keep that from the dust circulating round, so it's just another filter, but I'll show you how that one gets fitted as well. Fit these over the motors. A little bit fiddly, but they're tight enough, so it's gonna keep all the dust at bay, hopefully. Apparently these are really cheap. I don't know how much they are, but I've been told that from the dealer was extremely cheap. Put them on first. Elastic bands. I know the new elastic bands, I think it's 19p each, but I don't think you'll need them very often. Take care not to rip these, because it's just like another pre-filter. I'll have to get on and order them up, because there's nothing worse than having to wait for things to come, so I'd rather have them in as a spare. Right, that's that done. We'll fit the bag into the base on the Camvac itself. In the drum itself, it's got the 100mm inlet, and obviously what it does, it causes the cyclone effect, or that's what they claim anyway. So we've got a pre-fill to go on that, oh sorry, a bag what goes in that, which saves the all the dust. Just put that round the edges. It's now time to fit the top, and if you remember, we've got the inlet there, so the two motors go that way. Taking care not to damage these bags. Make sure it's in the right position, and then clip it on. Sorry about the train. Now it's all ready for action. What we'll have to do now is obviously connect that to the 100mm hose, and then obviously it's time to turn it on. Well, I've managed to get it done. It seems a lot more powerful. Is it worth the money? Possibly think so. I've moved the hood above. I have got the bigger one, but it's a 4-inch one, so I think I'll stick with that. But it seems to be quite impressive at the moment. I'll do the same demonstration as what I did earlier on, where I just sanded that and just see how much dust is dispersed from it. You can see the power of it when I turn it on. You can see it all snake up again. Now apparently you can, as I said earlier, you can get a tube that goes from there and the other one which is there, you can't see it, it's a bit dark, and take them straight out through the wall. Whether I want to do that or not, I don't know. The other, I've put my charn wood down there and it works a treat. So although people might have thought I was knocking it this morning, it's good, but not as good as that. There's nowhere near as good as that. It's only designed, and obviously the price reflects that. So all in all, everything's okay. As you can see, paper's a lot better. I'll just turn it back on and see how the flow is. There's no comparison. So yes, different from all ways. So all in all, it's a lot more powerful. Obviously you would expect it because it's got the twin motors on. At that present time, I have got the two motors running. You can have either one on and you can let one cool down if you don't need that amount of suction power. Am I impressed? Yes, I am. It's a lot better. I'm not saying it's 100% dust free, but it's a good 95%, I would have thought. So all in all, a great success. Right, the time of crunch is, did I think it was worth the extra money? Yes, I think it is. I don't think you can put a price on your health. I'm one of these people who love a bargain. I hate paying money out, and to be perfectly honest, I got the charn wood at an excellent price. So the famous saying is, buy cheap, buy twice. Whether this would run the two of them as I was running them before, I don't know. I've just put it onto the just to the blower here. I might rig something up so that it'll pick up the shavings as I'm using the lathe. who knows. But I think my next job is to order up the Cyclone tub, and we will give that a go. If it's going to save that amount of dust going into your Camvac, then I'm all for it. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, and I'll catch up with you in the next video. Thanks very much now. Bye.